we always start out by using a heat protectant spray. The one we use here is called the No Gas Spray by Davines. So just kind of mist that all over. And then you want to make a clean section, especially when you have extensions. You kind of want to find where each row is and use that as your guide. When you're around the face, I always suggest to do the curls away from the face. Once you get in, you can alternate your curl, but it's just gonna look better and more natural. So focusing the heat right up at the root, angling a little bit back instead of up and down, and continuing to just work down the hair strand. Leave out a little bit of that, those ends. Okay, next section is gonna be behind the ear, and you're going to do this curl towards the face. We're making our way to the back and alternating the direction of the curl. Start around the recession on the hairline. For these, I'm just gonna leave out her own hair and just touch those up at the end. The next curl will be, again, in the opposite direction. So I'm gonna go back to this front piece. I'm gonna try and just marry it in with this curl underneath. So just hitting it with a little heat and kind of gradually sliding it through. Final layer on this side. Again, leave out her bang area, angling it a little back. Okay, going back to our bang piece. Again, not hitting it with very much heat for very long, kind of letting it just slide through. Okay, so that's how we did this side. We're just gonna repeat that on the other side. Finish off by doing this top layer. It's always a little tricky for people to figure out, do I curl the whole piece? Do I let it just kind of lay straight? And what I always suggest is to kind of use those bottom curls that you had just done as a guideline. And it's always a little bit harder when you have to do the back of your head, but I think less is more, not hitting it very hard with the curling iron, just kind of barely adding a little bit of curl in there is gonna be your best bet. Okay, so we're getting close to being done. What I'm gonna do is shake out all of the curls with our texture spray. Here's our finished look.